Hey, welcome back to PickSnap. If you're someone who actually cares about what goes in your car, how it runs, and getting real value out of every dollar you spend on Amazon, you already know why you're here. I'm not here to waste your time. Every product you're about to see has been picked because it solves a real problem, the kind of problem most people just put up with until they find out there's actually a solution. Today, we've got 10 picks: car cleaning, phone and charging upgrades, dash cams, and a few everyday accessories that make every single drive better. Let's get into it. Okay, starting with this one. You vacuum your car, and it still doesn't feel clean. That's not a technique problem, that's a tool problem. The MONOZEL is a 2-in-1 vacuum and air duster in one unit. 18,000 PA suction, 130-watt brushless motor, and it weighs just 1.4 pounds. You vacuum the seats and carpet, then flip it to air duster mode and blast out every vent, every gap, every tight corner a regular nozzle can't even touch. Full accessory kit included: crevice tool, hairbrush, floor brush, extension tube, washable HEPA filter, 7,800 mAh battery, 32 minutes of runtime, charges USB-C. This is the one you keep in the car permanently and actually reach for. Link is right below. Next, working under the hood in a dark garage, or worse, on the side of the road at night, is a nightmare without the right light. We've all been there. The SYLSTAR gives you 2,400 lumens with a 4,400 mAh rechargeable battery. Use it as one full bar or split it into two independent handheld lights. Both ends have strong magnets that stick directly to your hood or toolbox, hands completely free. And the infrared sensor, this part is genuinely useful. You just wave your hand and it turns on. No touching anything when your hands are covered in grease. 3 modes: high, low, and red emergency strobe. IP54 waterproof, shockproof, 12-month warranty. One of those tools you don't realize you need until the moment you desperately do. Link below. Alright, this one is for everyone who's had a phone mount let them down mid-drive. If your mount shakes on bumps, droops in the heat, or just stops holding after 2 months, you've been buying the wrong one. The ANDERY MagSafe mount has 22 N55 magnets delivering 2,400 grams of magnetic force, 200% stronger than standard mounts. The suction cup holds up to 78 pounds, rotating lock vacuum system rated from -40 degrees F all the way to 300 degrees F. Your phone snaps on in 1 second, one hand, and it is not moving. Bumpy roads, hard braking, sharp turns, doesn't matter. The open circular design keeps air flowing around your phone so it doesn't overheat on long GPS drives. Works with iPhone 12 through 17, all MagSafe cases, and non-MagSafe phones with the included ring. Link below. Look at your center console right now. Cables everywhere, right? Yeah, we've all been there, and we all hate it. This 4-in-1 retractable charger has a USB-C and a lightning cable built right into the unit. Pull them out up to 31.5 inches, let go, and they snap right back in automatically. No tangles, no mess. 2 additional ports, 4 devices charging at once. 84 watts total, 45-watt fast charging for iPhones and Samsung. Built-in voltage display so you can keep an eye on your car battery health in real time. 180-degree adjustable base, shock-proof build for rough roads. Clean console, fast charging, 0 cable drama. Link below. Short one, but this one genuinely changes your daily routine. Still plugging in your phone for CarPlay every single time you get in the car? This adapter plugs into your car's USB port, pairs with your iPhone once over Bluetooth, and from that point forward, CarPlay connects automatically every time you start the car. No cable, no touching anything. You just sit down and it's already live. 2024 chip means low lag. Navigation, music, Siri, calls, all of it just works. Compatible with cars from 2015 and up, iOS 10 and above. 30 seconds to set up, 0 friction every single drive after that. Link below. This next one, pay attention. If something happens on the road, a hidden run, a fender bender that wasn't your fault, the only thing that matters in that moment is what's on camera. The FAIMEE records 4K UHD at the front, 2K on the interior, and 2K at the rear, all 3 channels simultaneously. 170-degree front lens, f1.8 aperture, WDR night vision, dual-band Wi-Fi so you pull footage straight to your phone, GPS that logs your speed and route, and a G-sensor that automatically locks emergency footage so it cannot be overwritten. 128GB card pre-installed. You're recording the second you plug it in. This is the camera you never think about until the one moment you need it. Don't wait for that moment. Link below. Okay, this one is specifically for truck owners, off-roaders, and anyone who hauls cargo and genuinely can't see out the rear. The WOLFBOX G900 Tripro bumper version completely replaces your rearview mirror with a 12-inch touchscreen, 4K at the front, Sony's Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, 2K at the rear, and then, here's what makes it unlike anything else on this list, a third 180p waterproof camera that mounts to your front bumper at ground level. You can literally see what's in front of your tires in real time. Rocks, curbs, tight parking spaces, nothing catches you off guard anymore. 256GB card included, GPS, voice control, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. Total coverage, 0 blind spots. Link below. Here's something most people never think about. Your AC cools the air. It doesn't circulate it. And on a long drive or stuck in traffic on a hot day, that difference is really real. The DICMKY clips onto any car vent, vertical or horizontal. Quiet, brushless motor under 30 decibels, pushes strong, directed airflow exactly where you point it. 3 speeds, 360-degree swivel. And here's the part that genuinely surprises people. Hold the button for 3 seconds, colorful LED gradient lighting turns on inside the cabin at night. It looks clean, ambient, honestly really cool. USB powered off any car charger. Clips on in seconds. Link below. Simple product, real problem. The DYLEN plugs directly into your existing cup holder. Base expands to fit most standard round cup holders and gives you a 9.5-inch rotating food tray right on top. An actual flat surface in your car. Meals on the go, a stable spot for your coffee, somewhere to rest your phone while it's charging. Fits large bottles up to 46 ounces, Yeti, Stanley, Hydro Flask. The tray pops off when you don't need it. No tools, no drilling, done in seconds. Every road trick person needs this. Once you have it, a car without it just feels incomplete. Link below. Last one, and honestly, if this applies to you, this might be the most important pick on the entire list. If you're driving with a rear-facing infant and you don't have one of these, fix that today. The Shynerk attaches to your rear headrest in seconds, no tools, no drilling, and gives you a wide-angle convex view of your baby directly through your rearview mirror. No turning your head, no looking back, no taking your eyes off the road. 11.8 by 7.5 inches, one of the largest baby mirrors on the market. 360-degree adjustable ball joint, shatterproof acrylic safety glass, crash tested and certified. Fits every car, van, SUV, and truck. No reason not to have it. Link below. And that's the third pick snap. 10 picks, every single one linked in the description with my affiliate link, which costs you nothing extra but keeps this channel going so we can keep putting these lists together every single week. Drop in the comments what you want to see next. Workshop tools, garage gear, truck accessories, road trip essentials. We read everything. Hit subscribe if you want to see what we pick next. New video every week. See you in the next one.